The best way to deposit money into Lunar starts with choosing the method that gives the fastest posting time and the lowest friction. Lunar operates as a fully digital bank, so every deposit option is built around speed, automation, and mobile accessibility. The most reliable method is linking an external bank account directly in the Lunar app. After connecting the account through secure verification, transfers move electronically with predictable processing times. This method allows repeat deposits without manual re-entry and supports higher transfer limits, making it ideal for consistent funding. Card deposits offer another straightforward option. Adding a debit card inside the app lets you push funds instantly. This is useful when you need money to reflect right away. It may include small fees depending on the card provider, but the convenience makes it a strong alternative when speed matters. Lunar's interface automatically confirms the amount and posts it to your available balance within minutes. Cash deposits require using supported partner locations. You generate a barcode in the app, present it at a participating retail point, and hand the cashier your cash. The deposit is registered immediately, though the availability time can vary slightly depending on the partner. This method fits users without regular access to traditional banks or who prefer handling physical cash. Salary deposits remain the most stable. Submitting your Lunar account number and routing details to your employer delivers direct payroll deposits with no delays. This option ensures predictable funding cycles and works seamlessly with Lunar's budgeting tools, which automatically categorize incoming earnings. Across all options, the Lunar app displays processing times and updates balances in real time. The streamlined digital structure ensures deposits reflect quickly and securely, giving users full control over how and when funds enter their account.